Hey there. Can't find your Schwab debit card for a moment? Freezing it instantly through the app prevents new purchases while you look, without the hassle of canceling and replacing the card. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to freeze it. Open the Schwab mobile app and navigate to your checking account details. Find your debit card information and look for the option to freeze card or lock card. Tap it. Immediately, the card will be declined for new purchases, ATM withdrawals, and online transactions. Recurring bills already set up may still go through. When you find the card, simply toggle the lock off. My crucial pro tip? Use this feature for travel security too. When you're not using your debit card, like during a stretch at home, keep it frozen. Unfreeze it only when you need to use an ATM. This dramatically reduces the risk of skimming or fraudulent use. That's proactive control over your card's security at your fingertips. Have you ever had to freeze a card? Was it lost, or as a precaution? Share your story below. For more quick security tips, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.